is Sam Connell, and I'm going to be your professor for this Anthropology 1 Physical Anthropology class. And I wanted to make a welcome message video to introduce myself, which I just have, and to let you guys know about the class real quickly. You're going to have a lot of videos on, I have one coming on the syllabus, introducing anthropology, and then throughout the class I'll be talking to you about different parts of anthropology and physical anthropology. But this first video is just quickly to tell you a little bit about the class, to make sure that you are ready to take an online class, maybe versus a face-to-face class, of which we still have a lot available if you need to. So you have a couple of days to consider whether you might want to drop this class, and if you do, then somebody else could take the class, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to read the stuff that says before week 1, introduction stuff that tells you about the class, tells you about the requirements that you're going to need to do. Because I need you guys invested in this class a little bit. There's going to be quite a bit of writing, because that's kind of the only way I can see how you're doing it and make contact with you. It's obviously through the written word, right? So you're going to have to be offering some critical insights and thinking about the different issues with our room for debate, with our participation questions. So each week I'm going to be asking you to do that. Now I know you might have heard that some of these classes you can kind of just skate through. Well, that's not going to be that for this class. We do have, there's no midterm exam, which could be good. You could be happy about that. But there is a final exam, and on that final exam it's proctored, which means you're going to have to be on campus here at Foothill or somewhere like a library, and somebody's going to be watching you take this test. Okay, this is just to clear up the way I do it in order to prevent the impulse perhaps of cheating. So there are orientations for you on how to take an Etudes course, but this one's going to be somewhat different. You're going to go to the Etudes site, but then you're going to come right back out and go to Google site, as you can see where it's described for you. Okay, if you are having issues with the portal or with Etudes, there's definitely a lot of help sections there that you can see, and then of course you can kind of email me directly, and I give you the email there. Okay, so all I want to say is, first off, welcome. Totally psyched to have you. Happy to have you in this learning environment, and I'm excited to do it with you. But I want you to be sure that this is the class for you. I want you to look that stuff over in the next day or two. I want you to be sure that this is the course you want to be in, because if not, there are many opportunities to come on campus and take this same course on in a face-to-face environment with somebody, and maybe that's perhaps would suit your learning better. And so it depends on how much you want to engage with this process with me, okay, how hard you want to work at it. Okay, just going to leave that thought for you. I'm psyched you're here, happy that you're here, but I want you to be aware of how the class is organized. So go ahead and read it, and then I'll see you on Monday.